Welcome back. We have cleaned our data and mastered pandas. Now it is time for the main event. We are building your first machine learning model using Scikit-Learn. Before writing code, understand the pipeline. It's 4 steps. Define the model, fit it to data, predict new values, and evaluate the results. Step 1, separate your data. X is your features, the inputs like room count. Y is your target, the prediction, like price. Step 2, don't memorize the answer key. We split data into training and testing sets to prevent overfitting. We train on 80% and test on the unseen 20%. Step 3 is the magic. We define the algorithm, here a decision tree, and use .fit to teach it the patterns found in the training data. Step 4, predictions. We feed the model our unseen test data, and it generates price estimates based on what it learned. Step 5, how did we do? We use mean absolute error. If the result is 500, it means our predictions are off by $500 on average. The best part, Scikit-Learn uses this exact same syntax for almost every algorithm. Linear regression, SVM, random forest, master one, and you can use them all. To recap, define X and Y, split your data, fit the model, and evaluate the error. That's the core of data science. This concludes our Python for Data Science series. You're now ready to build. YouTube thinks the video on your screen right now is the best one for you to watch next. Click it, and I'll see you there.